Yeah, good afternoon. Tim Nelson from Encore Packaging, and today we're looking at our pallet clip product here, made by us here at Encore Packaging, patented. And what it's designed to do is take a pallet band, super strong, and allow you the ability to cinch up around a load. So here we have two examples of boxes that we've either just received and unloaded from a truck, or that we just finished and have to move over to stretch filming or securing the loads with strapping or something like that. And we just need to move it around the warehouse. Not designed to be used in the shipping process, just designed for internal movement. We can just stick the one clip there, and you can go around your load with it here. Grab it and just cinch up your load there. One level. This is your second level, which awesome about these is that you can actually cut the pallet band itself and restring it into the clip. So you're able to, you'll get about 200, 300 uses out of each pallet band. It tends to change color a bit when it's being overused. And you can cut off the pallet band and reinsert it and tie it off and reuse it. And then we come with different sizes and strengths. In this case, we have a little wider load to do. So we're going to take this pallet band here and if that doesn't feel quite tight enough to you, you can undo it and put it at its max tightness. And then this will help secure the load better for you when you're driving it around. And then we also have these handy dandy placards here. So say we've just gotten this load off of a truck and you need to put it away somewhere in the warehouse. You can, these are dry eraser board, and you could say put it in warehouse EF2A, and we'll just mark them as pre-cuts. And then you can take this and you can also do it with different colors if you want to designate different parts in your plant. And then you will take this placard here and you can just hang it onto the pallet band there, and then use that as a marker to where to put your product, or when you put it up high, you can then read what you have there. The other nice thing about it is when you're done, you bring this back to the load, and after you stretch film it or strap it up or whatever, or at the point of shipment, you can actually take this off, take the pallet clips off, put them back into this nice handy box that we have, and you get to reuse them again and again. These compete really nicely with stretch film, sand strap, strapping, or really any other kind of form of product that you need to move something internally in your facility. Tim Nelson, Encore Packaging, thank you so much.